Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make bagels filling only ways. Start by weighing ingredients for consistent dough hydration and texture. Mix until tacky, then rest for gluten development. Divide dough evenly, flatten, and add filling to the center. Seal edges tightly and roll to smooth. Refrigerate briefly for firmer shaping. Boil and then bake until deep golden for chewy, dense bagels with evenly distributed filling throughout. Choose fillings that complement bagel density and won't release excess water while baking. Use thickened cream cheese or labneh for creamy, stable centers. Pre-cook vegetables, meats, and onions to concentrate flavor and reduce moisture. Reduce fruit spreads to a jammy thickness before sealing so they stay internal and not leak. Measure filling proportions to avoid overstuffing, aiming for even distribution and a firm bite that matches the chewy bagel texture. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tips. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers to store filled bagels without spills. They make meal prep and transport so much easier and neater. I use them to keep sandwiches and spreads tidy on the go, and they save cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle filled bagels gently and use minimal flour to prevent tough crusts. Pinch seams well and roll lightly to create a smooth exterior. Chilling for about 20 to 30 minutes helps fillings settle and holds shape during boiling. Briefly boil each bagel to set the crust, then transfer to a hot oven for baking to finish. This process gives even cooking, a glossy finish, and a satisfying, filling-centered chew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.